start by introducing myself. I am Udaypartap Singh. I live in Malod. I pursue electrical engineering at NIT Jalandhar. Today, the topic of our discussion is education during pandemic. Undoubtedly, cases of COVID-19 is increasing at a greater extent, owing to which it has changed our lives. We all know that education is indispensable for each and every person in order to get success and achieve their favorable goals in life. In short, it assists us to gain wide range of knowledge, skills, moral values, and attitude to make affirmative decisions. But in the beginning of 2020, there was a complete lockdown all over the globe due to which schools, colleges, and universities were closed. Because of this crisis, for almost an year, students were unable to go to their institutes, which have brought a greater disruption to education sector. At the time of COVID-19, the idea of online classes has been introduced. Therefore, it has changed from face-to-face interaction to virtual mode. Major menaces associated with this are that it not only divides digital but also overuse technology by some people. The best solution for this are providing some remote learning resource to needy children as well as their parents. Teachers should monitor the activities of students during online classes. Main problem behind this is that there are some students who belong to lower middle class families due to which they are not capable to purchase smartphones or laptops for their online class. Because of COVID-19, some of their parents have lost their lives or some had lost their employment in such a daunting situation. Exemplify, a recent survey was conducted by UNICEF in 2021, which stated that 61% of children in Delhi had not attended their online classes during pandemic because of no broadcast internet connectivity at their homes. However, it was noticed that these proportions of students is from rural and lower middle class groups. Online teaching can never match the level of classroom teaching. This will affect the academics of a student. Most importantly, there is no practical training given in online. Just give instructions and then they check everything if the student is going right or wrong. Practical and computer training, all these cannot be taught online. Teachers do not need to deliver the material at a fixed time. It can be posted online for on-demand access and students can engage it using wikis, blogs and emails to suit their schedule. Teachers can also check on students' participation periodically and make online appointments for students with particular needs or questions. Creating this synchronized classroom gives teacher and student more room to breathe. To conclude, 2020 was the worst year of 21st century as millions of people lost their lives in this pandemic. Indeed, education sector was the most impacted one. As I wish this year never come back in our life and we continue our education as it was before this pandemic.